Hi there, students. Recreant. Recreant. A recreant as a countable noun, or recreant as an adjective. Okay, as an adjective, recreant can mean somebody who's describe somebody who's cowardly, who's faint-hearted, who's afraid. And also, we can use it to mean somebody who is disloyal, somebody who changes sides, a recreant, somebody who is a turncoat, a renegade, an apostate, a deserter, somebody who's disloyal, somebody who's unfaithful, a traitor, if you like, somebody who's treacherous. So, a recreant, a turncoat, somebody who changes side, a traitor, somebody who you can't trust, and recreant as an adjective. Both of these meanings are fairly formal and fairly poetic. So a recreant, somebody who has surrendered, yeah, or somebody who is unfaithful to your obligations, disloyal, unfaithful to your duties. So, for example, in the Second World War, Lord Haw supported the Germans, and he spoke on radio for the Germans. So he was a recreant, or the recreant Lord Haw. Okay, so a recreant, a disloyal person, yeah, somebody who changes sides, and then as an adjective, somebody who's unfaithful, or somebody who is a coward as well. Okay, so a recreant by definition is recreant. They may or not be a cowardly recreant, but certainly they are unfaithful. If you change your belief, if you change your religion, that could also be described as apostate. So with Henry VIII, there were many Catholics who refused to change to the Church of England. But those who did, which were the majority, were apostate. Although then his daughter Mary came onto the throne, and at that point the apostates were the people who continued to support the Church of England. Okay, so apostate. An apostate, a person who's unfaithful to a belief, or a person who acts as a coward. He seemed to be really brave, but in fact he was an absolute recreant. Okay, so a deserter or a coward, and recreant, somebody who's unfaithful to their duty, who doesn't do what is required of them by their position, by their duty, by the things that they say. So a recreant is disloyal, is traitorous. A recreant, a coward, a craven coward, or somebody who's disloyal, somebody who is a traitor. So let's see, formality. I think this is pretty formal. I think I'm going to go for a 7 in formality. Use in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something formal. And then as to origin, okay, we've got recreant in Middle English with the same meaning, from Anglo-Norman recroire, to rethink, to surrender your allegiance, to give up, to give in. Notice we also have the word a miscreant, is somebody who does bad things. Effectively from Latin, re, a reversal, and credere, your belief. So changing belief. So enough.